In this video I will talk about this very interesting gaming project Oasys and share my price prediction for the long term and for the short term. So let's go straight into the content. Oasys is a gaming project which is on place 347 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $160 million. The coin is existent since 2022 and we saw the all-time high in 2024. As I said, Oasys is a gaming project which is building a community of gamers and developers to pioneer the future of fun games, and their mission is to make really good games. I think it's a very interesting project because you can play games and you can build games, so I think it's definitely a very interesting gaming project. And also if you're looking at the technicals, you can see that we have this bullish chart, because after this launch we saw this push to the upside, made this all-time high right here at 13 cents. We then saw this correction to the downside, to the bottom in 2023. And lately we saw this bullish push to the upside. We made a new all-time high right here at 14 cents. And right now we are correcting to the downside again. So first of all, this is a really good sign that we saw a new all-time high right here in 2024. So we definitely have some bullish interest. And if we are now using the Fibonacci tool from the swing low to the swing high, you can see that we have this 0.618 Fibonacci right here at these prices. So the chance that we could see a potential support and a move to higher prices is there. So I think this area is also a great chance to get into a potential long position. But if we see a move to even lower levels, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here, because this longer consolidation and demand zone was the start of this massive push to the upside. And we also have the 0.786 Fibonacci right here. So if the price comes back into this region and shows some bullish interest, then I think this is a great potential long opportunity, and the chance that we could see even higher prices is there. So again, I think right now the price range of 8.5 cents to 7.5 cents is very interesting. But if we see even lower prices, then I think the price range of 6.2 cents to 5.3 cents is very interesting. So again, right now is a very interesting price area to get into a potential long position on Oasys. But what are potential price targets for the long run for this bull cycle? If you're using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low in this latest swing right here, then we are seeing this potential price targets. And of course, if we have a look at the 3.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of 37 cents. So from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential of 360%. But again, if we have a look at the market cap, you can see that we have $1 of potential to the upside. And if we are comparing the market cap of Oasys to the market cap of Immutable X, also a very interesting gaming project, you can see that we have a market cap of $3.6 billion right now. So just if we are comparing the market cap, we would have potential over 22x. And of course, if we have a look at the total crypto market cap of the altcoins, we have a lot of potential to the upside. And if we are breaking the last one to the upside, which is very high because we have the Bitcoin spot ETF, much money comes into the crypto market, then the chance is really high that good gaming projects like Oasys can also explode to even higher prices. So I think 20 to 50x are very realistic for this bull run. From the prices right now to a price target of $2, we would have potential over 2,500%. And if we would also reach $4, we would have potential over 5,200%. And I think this could be potential price targets for Oasys. Of course, guys, this is just orientation from the prices right now. But as I said, I think the chances is high that we could see even higher prices for the altcoins in this bull cycle. Especially gaming coins have a lot of potential. And again, if we have a look at the market cap, we have a lot of potential to the upside. But again, guys, I don't want you to FOMO in some coins. I think this is a great project with a very high potential, but it's very important that you have an adapted risk management and many coins in your portfolio, and that you're just risking money that you are willing to lose or accepting to lose. Please keep this in mind, guys. And if you want to get some daily updates about crypto projects like Oasys, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all, guys, I think Oasys has a great potential to the upside. And right now we are at this very interesting area, especially if we see a bullish move out of this zone and over this last highs, then I think the chances is high that you could see even higher prices in the near future. And if we see a move to lower levels again, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here. And if we here see a bullish reaction, then I think the chance is also high that we could see a bullish trend continuation to the upside from this zone. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.